Today I am going to discuss about what is R language, how we are going to install R tool in your computer. R is a statistical language which is used to represent the data in statistical manner. Now you can see how to install R tool in your computer first. Okay, first open your Google Chrome in your computer, then just type R tool download. There you can get the link. After clicking on that link, just you can going to download R 4.1.2 for Windows. Okay, after completion of the download, just you are going to install R tool in your computer. Okay, after completing the installation process, the shortcut will be created in your desktop on your computer. Just you can open R. This is the R console. Okay, now we can see how to write the code in R and how we can use the R console. Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain what are the different types of operators exist in R language and what is mean by vector, how we are going to create a vector, and what is a string, how to create a string, and what is matrix, and how we are going to create a matrix in R. Operators in R language. First one is assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign a value to the variable. Here we can use is equals to or just we can take less than minus symbol. This is also a one type of indicator in R language to assign value to the variable. Just we can see the example now. A is equals to 50, B is less than minus 40, C is equals to 70. Now we can display the A, B, C values. Just you can press A, enter, B, enter, C, enter. That's it. Next you can go for arithmetic operators in R language. That is plus, minus, into and divided by. Now you can see the example. D is equals to A plus B plus C. That means A, B value can be added and that will be stored in D variable. Just you can display the D, enter, it is 160. The another one is, another example, E is equals to A minus B into C. Just you can display the E value, we can get this. The same way, F is equals to A by B into C. Just you can display the F value, we can get 87.5. Okay, like this you can use the arithmetic operators in R language. The next one, relational operators in R language. That is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and double equal to. Now you can apply these relational operators on A, B, C values. Okay, at the time we can use a relational operators. The result must be true or false. Now we can see the example. A is less than B. A value is 50, B value is 40. It can shows false condition. Okay, A greater than B, it is true. Okay, like that, just you can check the true or false between two variables. That is relation between two variables, like a is equals to b and c is greater than or equal to a, like that. Okay, next you can go for the vectors. Okay, next you can go for vectors. First you can see how to assign the value to the vectors. Whenever you can go to assign a value to the vector, we can use c, like v is equals to c open brace 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and closed brace. Just you can enter, the value will be stored in v. Just you can display the v, the values can be displayed 1 2 3 4. Similarly, just you can go through another vector, v2 is equals to c of 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 brace close. Just you can enter, then you can go for a display v2, you can get 5 6 7 8. Now you can add two vectors, v1 is equals to v plus v2. Just you can display the v1 value, you can get 6 8 10 12. Like that you can go for a subtraction and multiplication and also division of two vectors. You can see the another example, v3 is equals to v2 minus v. Just you can display the v3, you can get 4 4 4 4. Okay. 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 Okay, next one is matrix creation. To create a matrix, we can use vectors and arrays. Okay, vector in the sense, the vector is already created above and array is a collection of or group of elements. Now you can see the syntax for matrix creation. Matrix is equals to array of C open brace v comma v1 comma v2 three vectors comma dim is equals to C open brace 4 comma 3 comma 1 2 closed braces. What is mean by dim? That is dimension. Okay, the matrix containing rows and columns. Okay, our matrix containing how many rows and how many columns? 1 2 3 columns, 1 2 3 4 rows. Then only we can define 4 rows 3 columns and 1 matrix. Now you can going to display the matrix, you can get this. Okay, okay, like that just you can go for an addition of matrix, multiplication of a matrix and subtraction of a matrix. Just you can create the another matrix, m1 is equals to array open brace C v2 v1 v2 v3 the same dimension 4 comma 3 comma 1. Just you can close the brace, enter, the matrix 1 is created. Now you can add two matrix, m is equals to matrix plus matrix 1. The matrix and matrix 1 value will be stored in m. Just you can display the m value, m value. Just you can get the addition of matrix. Similarly, n is equals to matrix 1 minus matrix, that is n. You can display the n, you can get this. Similarly, multiplication also. A is equals to m into n. The m matrix and n matrix will be multiplied and the value will be stored in A. Just you can display the A value, you can get this. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos.